Hi guys, welcome to tmath tutorial. In our today's class, we are going to treat how to find the nth term of an arithmetic progression. So do well to watch the video. You can see this question. You have to find the nth term of the following sequence. If I say sequence, I mean linear sequence, or you call it arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression is also the same thing as linear sequence. That's another word you can use to replace it. So you have to find the nth term of this sequence. 8, 6, 4, 2. This is the first one. So here you write solution. So from here, for A, we need to write out our first term. First term is denoted by letter A. So we use letter A for first term. So you can say T1. That's our A. And this is equal to 8. So we are also given second term. Second term is there also. That's T2. And that's equal to what? 6. We know third term. The third term is 4. While the fourth term here is 2. So after we have gotten our first term, you also know your second term. That's T2. So we need to find the common difference. In linear sequence, we find common difference. So here, let's look for common difference. That is the difference between the consecutive terms. That's what we call common difference. So for common difference, you say that we use letter D for common difference. So common difference, which is equal to D, equals T2 minus T1. That's the formula for it. T2 minus T1. So that our D now equals, what's our T2 from this question? T2 is 6. T2, 6 minus T1, that's 8. So what's 6 minus 8? 6 minus 8 will give us minus 2. So let me put it here. So D equals minus 2. So you can see we have gotten our D now. So from here, so far we have known our first term. We also know the common difference. So we can find the nth term of the AP we are given here. We can find the nth term. Nth term means number of term. So we are looking for the formula for number of term for this sequence. So here we see that nth term is equal to Tn. Nth term, Tn. So that's equal to the formula A plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket D. This is the nth term for an AP. So you can say that Tn now equals, what's A? According to the information we wrote out here, that's A is 8 plus open bracket n. We don't know the n. That's what we are looking for. We don't know n. So you put n there, minus 1 close brackets. Then D. What's the D we can see here? That's negative 2. You put minus 2 there. So Tn equals 8 negative 2 multiplied by n. Put your plus here. 8 plus negative 2 multiplied by n. That's negative 2n. Then negative 2 multiplied by negative 1. That's plus 2. So Tn now equals, let's open this bracket. You have 8 plus multiplied by negative 2n. So that will give us negative 2n. Then plus multiplied by plus 2, plus 2. So that our Tn now equals what? Minus 2n, then plus 2 plus 8. That will give us plus 10. So this is the nth term. Nth term equals Tn equals to negative 2 plus 10 for this AP. So this formula now if you substitute your first term, that's T1, to this formula, you will see that we are going to get 8. Like you are checking T1 now, first term, that's equals to -2 open bracket, our n, that's 1 plus 10, and that will give us -2 plus 8, plus 10, and that will give us 8. So for this 8, if you find second term also T2, you will get 6. So that is it. Then for the second question, let's quickly look at the second question, B. So we know our T1. You can tell me T1 now. T1 will be what? 10 over 1 over 2. So T1, that's A, which is 10 over 1 over 2. Then we know our T2. What's T2? T2 is 6. T2 is 12. So from formula, T2 is A plus D, and that's equals to what? 12. So far you know T1, you know T2. You can find the common difference. So far we are dealing with AP. So common difference D now equals T2 minus T1, which is equal to T2 is what? 12 minus T1, that's 10 and a half. So 12 minus 10 and a half, that will give us 1 over 2, or 1.5. So that's our D. So therefore, you are looking for the nth term, number of term formula. That is formula that guides this particular AP. So you say Tn, still write this formula, Tn equals what? A plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket D. So that Tn equals, A is what? 10 and a half plus open bracket n, we don't know n minus 1 close bracket, then D, we know D, that is 1 and a half. That's 1 and a half. 1 over 1 over 2. So Tn now equals 10 and a half plus, let's multiply this, 1 and a half multiplied by n, that will give us 1 and a half n. Then 1 and a half multiplied by -1, that will give us minus 1 over 1 over 2. So Tn now equals 10 and a half minus 1 and a half, then plus 1 and a half n. You can see that. So 10 and a half minus 1 and a half, that will give us 9. So Tn equals 1 over 2 n, then plus, we said that 10 and a half minus 1 over 1 over 2, that will give us what? 9. So this will be our answer, or you call this 1.5n plus 9. That will be our nth term. So whenever you are told to find the nth term of an arithmetic progression, just look for your A, that's first term, look for second term, then do the common difference, that is second term minus first term, you get your common difference. So after getting that, then substitute it to this formula, you get the nth term of that particular AP. So thank you so much for watching this video. You can do well to watch some of my videos that I uploaded, both TikTok, YouTube. Thank you. Bye.